Maybe two. Eric Carl's book Brown Bear. And again, I use some kind of noisemaker, and I only have my shaker today, so we do Brown Bear together, and the kids know this practically by heart. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. You can even do quack, 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 quack. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Ribbit. Green frog, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Or mommy. Teacher, what do you see? I see lots of children looking at me. Lots of pretty children looking at me. So you're doing the book. It's a fun way to do the book. I like that one.